Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Project Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of wood craft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Today we're diving into a powerful theme: contemporary wooden craft ideas that blend style and profit. In the modern market, beauty alone is not enough, and affordability alone is not exciting. What truly creates momentum in woodworking is the balance between clean, contemporary design and smart financial thinking. When a project looks refined, modern, and thoughtfully constructed, and at the same time is efficient to produce and easy to position, it becomes more than a piece of wood. It becomes a product with purpose and margin. Contemporary wooden crafts are not about complexity. They are about intention. They are about understanding how people live today, in apartments, compact homes, modern offices, and designing pieces that feel light, useful, and elegant. When you combine this design clarity with strategic production and smart pricing, you create crafts that do more than decorate spaces. They generate sustainable income. Let us explore how to blend style and profit through contemporary wooden craft ideas that are practical, scalable, and visually powerful. Contemporary design begins with simplicity. Clean silhouettes, smooth surfaces, and balanced proportions create an immediate sense of calm and quality. The beauty of simplicity is that it reduces unnecessary labor while increasing perceived sophistication. When a piece looks effortless, buyers often assume it is premium. Floating shelves are a perfect example. A well-proportioned floating shelf made from solid hardwood with hidden mounting hardware can command impressive pricing. The material requirement is modest, the production process can be streamlined, and the final appearance aligns perfectly with modern interior trends. The key is precision, sharp edges, consistent thickness, and a flawless finish. When installed, these shelves appear to float seamlessly, enhancing walls without visual clutter. Another contemporary idea that blends style and profit is minimalist console tables. Narrow, elegant, and designed for entryways or hallways. These tables use limited material but offer high visual impact. Slim tapered legs, subtle edge chamfers, and balanced spacing create refinement without complexity. Because they are compact, shipping costs remain manageable, protecting your margin. Modern wooden stools also offer strong financial potential. Simple geometric forms, cylindrical legs, softly rounded seats, or curved frames create sculptural appeal. Stools require less material than chairs and are easier to batch produce. By focusing on smooth sanding and premium finishes, a basic form transforms into a high-end piece suitable for contemporary kitchens and studios. Wall-mounted organizers are another profitable contemporary category. Today's lifestyle values organization and minimal clutter. A wooden wall organizer with integrated hooks, small shelves, or hidden compartments solves a practical problem while maintaining a clean aesthetic. The production process can be standardized, and customization options such as wood tone or size variations allow flexible pricing. Contemporary coffee tables often emphasize low profiles and clean geometry. Rectangular or circular forms with subtle design elements, like recessed bases or layered edges, create depth without excessive complexity. When you design a coffee table that feels modern and stable, yet lightweight in appearance, you tap into a large market segment seeking updated interiors. Wooden plant stands are particularly relevant in today's homes where indoor greenery is popular. Contemporary plant stands focus on verticality and minimal framing. Thin but sturdy supports, cross-bracing, or subtle curved forms create elegance. Since plant stands use relatively small material quantities, the profit margin can be strong if positioned correctly. Another smart idea is modern wooden desks for compact spaces. A slim writing desk with integrated cable management and clean lines fits urban lifestyles. Instead of heavy decorative carvings, the focus remains on surface quality and proportion. By simplifying joinery and standardizing measurements, production becomes efficient while the design remains attractive. Contemporary wooden wall art panels can also blend style and profitability. These panels may include geometric patterns, vertical slats, or layered with textures. They require precision cutting but minimal assembly complexity. Because they function as decorative statement pieces, buyers are willing to pay for uniqueness. Lighting integration is another trend that merges style with value. Wooden wall sconces or table lamps with integrated LED strips create warm ambience. The wood frame remains simple, while the lighting element enhances perceived sophistication. Combining wood with subtle technology increases pricing power without dramatically increasing material cost. Storage solutions offer consistent demand. Modern wooden storage benches with hidden compartments serve dual purposes. Clean exterior lines conceal functionality inside. When the hinge system is discreet and the finishing refined, the bench feels intentional rather than bulky. Contemporary headboards crafted from wood slats or geometric panels are visually striking yet relatively straightforward to build. The emphasis lies in symmetry, alignment, and finishing. These larger statement pieces can command strong prices due to their visual impact in bedroom spaces. One of the strongest strategies for blending style and profit is modularity. When you design pieces that can expand or connect, customers feel flexibility. Modular shelving systems allow buyers to start small and expand over time. From a production standpoint, repeated components reduce waste and simplify assembly. Material selection also influences both style and profit. Light woods like oak or ash support contemporary aesthetics, while darker tones such as walnut provide contrast. Mixing wood with black metal accents creates a modern industrial feel. The combination of materials enhances perceived complexity, even if construction remains straightforward. Surface finishing plays a powerful role in contemporary design. Contemporary wooden craft ideas that blend style and profit represent the evolution of modern woodworking. They demonstrate that elegance does not require excess, and that profitability does not require compromise. By focusing on clean design, efficient production, premium finishing, and strategic positioning, you create pieces that feel current and command value. Every project you choose should serve two purposes: to elevate aesthetic standards and to strengthen financial growth. When you build with intention, refine with patience, and present with confidence, your workshop transforms into a space where creativity meets sustainability. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.